Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the electromagnet. Through this video we know about the electromagnet, where electromagnet is used and how we can make a simple electromagnet at our home. First of all, we come to know about the electromagnet. कि what is electromagnet? होती क्या electromagnet? And what is its use? Electromagnet is a magnet that runs on electricity. If the electricity is passed through it, only then it shows magnetic property. If there is no electricity passed through it, then it shows zero magnetism property. ये मैग्नेटिक नहीं होगी, ये मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव नहीं करेगी. This is the main difference, or this property make electromagnet so special, because due to this property we can use electromagnet in lifting the heavy load. But main thing is that it can attract only magnetic material. सिर्फ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल को ही अट्रैक्ट कर पाएगी. इफ द मटेरियल इज नॉट मैग्नेटिक, देन we cannot use electromagnet for that. You must see a crane lifting heavy load, magnetic load, ठीक है, like a car or some iron pieces. In that case we use electromagnet, because when the electricity pass through it, then it acquired the properties of magnetism, and we can easily lift that load and take that load to a desired place, and we switch off the power supply and it loses magnetic property, and we can remove the load to that desired place. Okay, now how we can make an electromagnet? Especially for making an electromagnet, we needed a soft iron core around which insulated wire are wounded. ठीक है, in our activity we are using an iron nail as a soft iron core and a copper wire work as a solenoid. Let's start making our electromagnet. For making electromagnet, we require stapler pins. You can also use 50 pins, scissor, sellotape, wire, copper wire, and battery. Here I am using cell, iron pin, and wire cutter, iron nail. First of all, wrap the copper wire around the iron nail like this. Leave some margin at the end. More the number of turns, more is the strength of electromagnet. Here copper wire work as a solenoid and iron nail work as a soft iron core. Wrap the wire like this. If copper wire is not available at your home, you can take the copper wire from the electrical wire that we used at our home. Take the cell and join the ends of wire with the help of sellotape with the terminal of cell. So I am taking a part of sellotape. With the help of scissor, I cut the sellotape. For your simplicity, first join the iron nail on the cell. It makes our work easy. We can easily join the ends of the wire with the cell. Now join the end of wire with the terminal of cell with the help of cello tape. Like this. Now you can see if I bring this iron nail near the iron
Thank you.
pins.
Make electromagnet.
स्टेपलर्स भी यूज
Enjoy
किए हमने.
and be safe at your home. Take care.
ये अट्रैक्ट
Bye
नहीं हो
bye.
रही बिकॉज अभी हमने दूसरा एंड कनेक्ट नहीं किया. जब आप सेकेंड एंड को दिस एंड when connected to the terminal of battery, only then it will behave as a electromagnet. अभी ये सिंपल एक मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल है. ओके. नाउ बी केयरफुल when you connect the second end of wire with this terminal, then the battery start heating. So use any piece of cloth or your hanky after joining this end. So with the help of sellotape, I join the second end of wire with the battery like this. It start getting heating. ओके. अब ये हमारी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बन चुकी है. व्हेन वी ब्रिंग इट नियर द पिंस, स्टेपलर पिंस, the pins get start attracting towards it. As you can see, the pin get attracted towards it, because now it become a electromagnet. But be careful this time, because अब जो है ये करंट इसमें से पास हो रहा है, तो दैट्स वाई जो सेल है वो अब हीटअप हो चुका. एंड सेकेंड वन थिंग, आफ्टर डूइंग दिस, रिमूव वन एंड ऑफ वायर. इसमें से आपने एक एंड को अलग कर देना, सेपरेट कर देना है, अदरवाइज सेल जो है वो हीटअप होता रहेगा. तो that is all about the electromagnet. I hope you must learn about the electromagnet, how we can make an simple electromagnet at our home. And this is the main principle of electromagnet कि करंट इसमें से पास होगा when magnetic material is wrapped around a